So what I got for you today is a Swiss-made pocket watch by what says on the dial, the Siplin company. Oh my gosh, that is blurry. Let me back off a little bit. There, now you can see it. Has an alarm mechanism. It appears to be a high quality pocket watch until you look in the back, and I'm going to open up the back in just a second here, but I'm going to show you one of the more important features of the watch. So you can see that there's an extra hand here. You know, you got the minute hand, the hour hand, and the second hand, but then this also has an alarm hand. So this watch actually has an alarm mechanism. And now I'm going to turn it on its backside, pop off the back, which is just pried off right here. There we go, got it. And you're gonna take out this little plate here. If I can get it out there. There it goes. And so, you know, you can see there's just one jewel right here on the balance. It says on the back even, just one jewel unadjusted on the very bottom. And then it says Sirinair Apparent Swiss. But why I said this may be a low-end watch, you can see that it has a pin, what they call a pin lever escapement, and there's only one jewel in it. So some would say this isn't a high-end watch, but because of the alarm mechanism makes me think it is. And of course you got the basics, you know, you got the escape wheel, you got the fork, or no, the escape wheel's over here, the fork, the balance, you can see the hairspring breathing right there. And you got the knob for setting the time. Here's the regulator. Move it this way if you want it to go slower, this way if you want it to go faster, retard and advance. This right here is for turning the alarm on and off, so it's off, and now it's on. Now it's off again. So I'm going to, let's see, how far up is this wound? Okay, it's all the way, so I'm going to pull the stem out and just advance the hands till it gets to where the alarm hand is. And it's off, so I'm going to turn it on. And it's basically just a hammer hitting the side of the case. And if you let the watch wind all the way down, then, or the alarm mechanism, all of it is controlled by one mainspring. So if the alarm runs all the way down, it's now out of power, and the clock is probably going to stop pretty soon. So I'm going to turn the alarm mechanism off. Now that you've seen everything in here, I'm going to put this little plate back on. Just goes on like that. Oh, another thing I forgot. Brevet 227-363. And of course, Swiss made. And, you know, you just wind it, whoops, like this, up until you reach fully wound. And I'm going to set this to the correct time that it is right now. And that is all for this video. Feel free to make any comments if you know more about this watch than I do. But that's it for this video, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.